FFW. Oh, Bronx County. Staten Island. That's a huge FFW. I thought it was gonna be under FFW for a second. For a second, I thought I was under FFW, but I'm not. That's so sad. Hey, at least it's good. Wait, let me turn on the backlight. There we go.
By thunderstorm. Source, radar. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and lines. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jersey City, Yonkers, Elizabeth, Bayonne, Hoboken, Hackensack, Bergenfield, Lyndhurst, Rutherford, Nablus, Secaucus, Harrison, Tarrytown, Ridgefield, Todd Hill, Dobbs Ferry, Nyack, Tappan, Midtown Manhattan, and Harlem.
Raining a lot.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering a flooded road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Bergen, Hudson, and the following counties: in New York, Bronx, Manhattan, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester.
Okay. Double header? Nope.
The severe